Today I'm going to go over a quick tutorial on how to get hanging punctuation in Adobe InDesign. This is specifically very helpful for pull quotes where your text is already designed to stand out. If you have any errors in the way your typeface is set in these circumstances, they'll only be exacerbated by the pull quote design. So here you'll notice that there are nearly no visible differences, except one. Look at the quotation mark here at the top. It sits aligned with the lower two rows of text. Now, this text box on the bottom has hanging punctuation, so the quotation mark sits to the left of the text, each row of which is flush with the next. This is the look we want to achieve. So here's what you do. Select the text box that you want to apply the hanging punctuation to. Then select Type at the top. Come down to Story, select that and it will generate this menu. Simply select Marginal Alignment and close it out. Now you're good to go. When I scroll over here, you can see how it looks in practice. Much better. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.